have what it takes to take on one of the finest maths brains in the country? Let's find out. You're watching The Chase with me, your host, Mr. Lake. So to start with, let's find out which chaser we're playing against today. Oh, well, it looks like we're playing today against Mr. Lake. What a surprise. So, Mr. Lake, tell us, how much will you put on the table today? Ha, you think you can beat me? Well, if you get more questions right than I do in a minute, I will offer you absolutely nothing except a well done. Wow, what a generous offer. So, here's how this is going to work. Mr. Lake, our chaser, is going to spend a minute playing Hit the Button on number bonds to 20. And you'll see how many he gets right in a minute. If you can beat his score in a minute, then well done, you've beaten the chaser. So let's play The Chase. So right now we have the footage of Mr. Lake playing Hit the Button. I have sped it up so it's 4 times quicker because otherwise this bit would be very, very boring. So let's see how he gets on. What's his final score going to be? So this is how you can play along at home. On today's home learning schedule, I put a link to the Hit the Button website. Once you're on that website, what you need to do is hit the green button that says Number Bonds, and the red arrows in this picture are pointing to that button. When you've done that, you'll see this menu, and the game you want to pick is the one that says Make 20. And again, I put a red arrow in that points to that one. You'll then see these instructions, which tell you that you'll be shown a number and you need to hit the button that makes the total up to 20. The timer won't start till you hit the play button that the red arrows are pointing to. When the game begins, you'll see a yellow number at the top, so here it's 7. You need to hit the button that has the number that you add to it to make 20. So for this one, I'd hit the button that says 13 because I add 13 to 7 to make 20. To beat the chaser, you have to get more than 20 correct in a minute. You can have as many goes as you would like to do that. Well, thank you for tuning in this week and playing along with The Chase. Can anyone beat the chaser? Find out next week.